So recently we went to Roba Family Farms in my hometown near Clark Summit. We also stopped and had a great time just hanging out in the mountains. For those who don't know, myself and Ogenslav have been starting our family for the last few years, and that's why we haven't been producing as much content or being quite as active. But we felt like this was a good time to start sharing with you our experiences once again. And in this video, we went to Roba Family Farms and had a really great time. 2 hands full. Good. For those who have never been to Roba's, they have this really cute little petting farm near the start with goats and chickens and llamas.
Sweet girl. Alright, let's save a little bit for later.
Gala really just loves feeding the animals and loves taking care of animals in general, and she has such a great time going around and taking care of all the animals here.
These are pretty goats. You want some more food? Yeah, they do. Here you go. Tickles.
Hey, Gala, there's more goats further down to feed as well.
Good taking turns, guys. Those are really sweet. We should have gotten 2. Okay, that's fun. More sheep? There's more goats down there. Do you want to go see those? Okay, let's go.
Stopped to take some selfies. Just had a great time around Bunnyville. Frankie really loves seeing the pigs, and they really like seeing him.
Hey, Frankie, look at the piggies. Woof woof puppy. Piggies. Handsome. Hi there. Hi, Valia. Здравствуй. Сегодня piggies.
After we were done over here looking at the animals, we decided to keep wandering down the way.
Wow, that's cool.
We came across this amazing singing tractor. It had the kids completely mesmerized. It sang like off-brand Justin Bieber songs, and it was a lot of fun. We spent a lot of time just standing over there and bouncing Volia and just being around the mums and all the little bees that came to eat off the mums. And it was just a beautiful little spot and a nice part of Roba's.
Okay, how's Mr. like that thing? Oh yeah! Whee! Bounce, bounce, bounce.
We spent so much time at this giant bouncing pillow listening to this dystopian music and these instructions play on repeat. It was completely insane.
1 minute remaining for those currently jumping.
But Gala loves bouncing.
Yeah, do you want to go
Attention for all those waiting to jump.
Happy pumpkin!
No smoking, no drugs, no alcohol. Ladies and gentlemen, caution.
Is it running?
5 pounds.
Julia!
But it was starting to get late, so we decided to head back around the lake, down back towards the front. Of course, there's always time for a quick kiss. And we wanted to catch the dog show next. The last thing we did before it got dark was the corn maze, which is really fun for me because I've been coming here every year since I was my daughter's age, and at the end they have a full display of all the mazes from over the years. Back to the birdhouse one more time. All the playgrounds and everything is lit up in the dark so everyone can keep playing, and of course we had to stop back by the bouncer one more time before getting on the tractor and falling asleep on the way to the car. It was just a good, fun day in my old hometown. Thanks for watching, and we hope that you guys will join us for our Midnight Samhain ritual right here on our YouTube channel on the 31st at midnight. From everyone here at the Coven of the Open Mind, blessed be.